Star boy day for you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new subscriber watching for the first time, you highly and definitely welcome to. Today we did a smoky eyes, like you guys can see. It's a brand smoky eyes. If you're familiar with me, you know that I love smoky eyes a lot. I go with smoky eyes. You're my best friend. And with these light lips, like I love everything about this look. I don't know if you guys love it, but baby girl have to slay. Anyway, not talking too much. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. My next video. Bye bye. So guys, we're gonna go straight to this look. First, we're doing like the regular stuff. I'm applying my Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base. Basically, I'm applying it this way. And next I'll be using my banana gems just to like for the base also to set my concealer. Now I'll be going to this palette from the Color Max. Is a Technique eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying this light shade on my crease. Next I'm going to this orange shade and I'm applying it this way. Basically this palette is so cute. Like we have 4 eyeshadows, 1 blush, a highlighter and a bronzer. So I just applied my Revolution palette, the shade Let's Do Bunch. I'm applying it the same place, my crease areas, just blending it this way and whatever. Next I'm going into this dark shade called Nose Job, and I'm just applying it just to like give this like a different definition. So I'm applying it this way. Blending is the key to a flawless look. You want to take your time to blend. Like it's very simple look actually. I didn't spend much creating this look. Next I went into my NYS palette and I took also the like a dark brown shade, just trying to mix everything together to get the perfect look, not too much. Okay, and I'm using my Unique palette and I'm using the shade Shipper, just blending it on my crease with the other eyeshadows I already applied, just to make it more smoky, glamish. And I'm using this. I don't know why I actually applied this eyeshadow, because I think it made it spoiled everything, because already I've gotten my smoky eye. Going back into this made it more lighter. I was so confused. I think later I went back into my Unique palette to add a little bit of brown eyeshadow, just blending it this way. Yes, you see, nothing too much, like it's just so easy. It's like an everyday look. I'm using this my lovely lashes from Primark. Like Primark has been getting my heart up and down, like up and down. I love their lashes, and for the fact that they are not that expensive is something that just making me go crazy. Anyways, I skipped into my foundation. You guys know my normal stuff. Applied my oil and sprayed my face with my NYS setting spray. Later I went into my 390 Fenty Beauty foundation. So right now I'm applying my concealer, Pro Concealer, for my highlight. So yeah, so I skipped everything basically, not too long. And I'm just blending it this way, like you guys can see me do. Thank you guys for my last video. Like I got so many comments, so many compliments saying the video was so nice. I was like, okay, I'll feel you. Basically, thank you guys so much. Like I really appreciate it. I got so many comments, sorry. Online, offline, whatever. So I'm going back again into my NYS palette, just applying these light shades to like do a little bit of highlights. Like I needed something so heartstaking, where you want to like glue, like you want to stay for Africa, you have to look in on a fleek, okay? So basically, I'm going back into my contour. Like I decided to just do some contouring just to make myself look smashed. So using this palette, using my NYS palette, basically, like you guys can see me doing, not too much, trying to blend the black. Oh my god, I'm so worst. Like trying to blend my concealer just to give it that cheek skinny face whatsoever. My contour is so good. Like my mom always tell me that once she contours her face, she look like a baby. So I just like doing contour. Anyway, I don't do it that much, but it's okay. So I'm just trying to blend it with this angled brush, because if I don't blend it that way, it makes me to look so dark that I'm like, who is this girl on the mirror? So next I went into baking using my banana dreams. Today I don't know what came over me, but I did too much with my makeup. First started with my highlight, next I went to my contour and I decided to set my face this way. Okay, we are on for the game, okay? Just trying to set my face to bring out the look. I'm like, okay. So now I'm going into my Technique palette using the bronzer just to do my nose contour. Next, I'm still on the bronzer. Just set my contouring whatsoever, boo. Next, I'm using the blush. I'm applying the blush on my cheeks. Thank you for the Twitter. Steady commenting on Insta. Ole, ole ba or they start to the giver. As enemies see the power. So now I'm just dotting out the excess powder on my face using my MAC powder. Just doing it this way, like the normal stuff we do with our makeup. So I'm using my highlighter on my tear ducts just to make my eyes open. So with my highlight, I just use the same technique highlighter mixed with my NYS highlighter. Just applying it on my nose, my cheeks. Can you guys see the glow? Like, okay, we're good. Alright, next I used my Fenty Beauty highlighter to just pop everything out to give it that extra glow and whatever. Alright, I'm setting my face with my NYS spray. So next time I'm lighting my brow bones just to bring out that pop out that like pop out. Can you guys see this glow? Next I'm going into my Primark lipstick. This color is my go-to. Next I went into this affordable drugstore lip gloss. Like they are so cute. I just love light lips. Makes me look more, brings out my color actually, like my shade. And that's it. I went into a gloss just trying to fix my hair.